Hi, my name is Fatoumata Diaby. I'm a PCA, Patient Care Associate in Mount Sinai Hospital, and this is my healthy living story. I make my health a priority because I like to travel, go some different countries like Dubai, Turkey, West Africa, Guinea-Conakry, Sierra Leone, Mali. If you're not healthy to travel, it's not easy because there's a lot of walking, and then because your mobility, you cannot do so many activities. Being healthy, I like to make my own food. I love salad, and my season, I make them by myself. I make some onion leaf and parsley, garlic, onions, some jalapeno, make it a little bit spicy. I make my own smoothie and my own drink. It's healthy because that I know how much amount of sugar I'm putting, and there's no other extra stuff there. When I come to exercise, I like to walk at least twice a week. I'm not far from Central Park, I walk around there in my break time. Sometimes you feel sore, but at the end, I feel more calm. Anything you want to achieve in your life, first you ask for your health. If you are healthy, you have everything in your hand. But if you're not healthy, it's not easy. Yeah, if you're healthy, you are a millionaire.